Okay, for this tutorial, we're going to be using the J cut and L cut. So I have 3 clips here, and I'm going to play through once without any editing. Notice we have clips all line up with the audio, right? So I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to play through.
Look, if you don't like it...
No, I didn't say that. I just wasn't impressed.
Well, do you have mine?
So that's a very basic cut. We cut at the beginning and end of each of those. We're going to overlap so that Evan's audio is going to start before we see him, and then Caleb's audio in the second clip over here will trail over. We'll see Caleb before we hear him. So to do that, first you select all 3 clips. So I just click and drag around so I have all 3, and you want to unlink them. I've already done that, but see where it says unlink here? You would click that, and now your audio and video can be selected separately. Since I want Caleb's video over here to come into Evan's, I'm just going to move Evan's video back and then move Caleb's video up to that clip. So let's play through that.
I don't like it.
No, I didn't say that.
So it's very subtle. It's just a little over. That's where he starts to talk, so I'm actually going to go ahead and move it just a little more and play through like that.
No, I didn't say that. I just wasn't impressed.
Now, the other thing we could do is move this in and move Caleb over. So it looks like that.
No, I didn't say that. I just wasn't impressed.
So we see Caleb before he starts talking, and we see Evan after he starts talking. That's the J over here and the L over here.